producer, una colleague. All the time, you go all come out, go they insult everybody for live video. So the thing, no y'all dey need comment, not listen to any nonsense people. The thing, that's why the other time he told say now they two of them ended the industry. I dey expect, maybe talk web bone.
Now be that because before you can't talk something, before you can't provoke, we'll know say that you don't. Who be the colleague now? Who they sort of minimum that line no.
Ebony Obasui, one man, I know the fear. Ebony Obasui now they talk. Ebony Obasui, one man, Imam one you know. Because it can't be like say Juju, it can't be like say Juju where she do take child of force since. So that Juju don't spoil. Now me go work one day go with the industry.
This is the end of the road for Ebony Obasoyi, a producer, a film writer, a film director, and an actress, also a new singer in the industry. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depends on the time you guys are watching me from. They say saga continue in 1,000 years. Ebony don't enter saga ground. She don't jump her mate, my people. Fina, the Nollywood actress, and her best friend, whether they call Lizzie Patient, don't come outside, come blast Ebony. Say the sham way Ebony they use, take the silent people progress for Edo movie industry. Say it don't expire for this 2021. Say it no go follow the enter 2022. My people, no be small matter, no be small beginner. They tell una so. No we saga no dey nowadays. So the woman say she no dey fear again, according to Lizzie Patient or Pat. She say she no dey fear again. Say the sham wey Ebony dey use for that industry, say e don expire join her body. My people, make una come see wetin dey happen for inside Nollywood Edo movie. Now make some people they progress while some not they progress. They don't catch Ebony. Say she they use one kind heavy gbedu sham. Say she lock everybody where he did the industry for inside bottle. My people. Now never hear. Now what did they happen for the industry be this one? Say hey, or hey. Now be say if fish big pass fish, he will swallow the other fish. They say everybody lock everybody for inside that movie industry for inside bottle. Last year or last 2 years, now about Esther. Say Esther carry a lot of people destiny. Go through away for different 38 junction just to enter Europe. My people carry some go orphanage children. Now, it don't enter Ebony. Let's say now Jaruma product now she use, my people. Hey, Kayamata product. Hey, when I know say Jaruma they say for who wants snatch husband, who wants snatch wife, who they find better husband, better boyfriend, may it stay forever. Even though say they find the kind Jaruma where you will use for inside your for your working place, it get time. My people, Fina and her friend, whether they call Lizzie, be like say the guy, whether na guy be the girl, I be the lady na Euro bezo. They don't finally come out for Ebony. Say Ebony you're too much. Every time she go they come outside, they insult people for the industry. Say she not see anybody with better pass some, but that one her mouth she take talk. Say now she and her best friend Esther na better pass everybody for that industry. They say this bottle one they see for years. So now the people where they inside social sorry guys, now social media with the see since then. I make me the only they mention so. They say all the people where they inside Edo movie. They say Esther Ebony Obasoyi producer don't lock them for inside this bottle. This bottle must be breaking. They say she don't lock all of them put for inside this bottle as I tell you now. As this she now bottle small rich. They say she tie everybody for inside that movie industry. They say she tied them put for here, my people. Not be small matter. Now I say make I let you now know the kind things where they happen for Nollywood movie industry now. So now they say her sham don't already fade. It never reached, hey my God, it never reached 31st. It never even reached on the 1st of January. They said the matter no go carry the enter that place. My people. Now this beautiful lady, na talk, I say she na producer, she not be an actress. But it's in the pain at the way Ebony say they use power because say she don't do the something. She they use power say they insult a lot of people, both Nyongi and Edede and Postman, the way they the industry. But nobody go come out for them because say she be Alazino ye work begede. Now remember one thing where she asked when she said she be Alazino ye work begede. Most of all these people, not be the movie the title where they give them for movie. Sometimes now what did they fit do ogbuduwewi. Now they be for grand not be me talk am, na lazy talk am. So now I say make I carry the matter come for na table my people make una come here wetin dey sup for inside town. Say Ebony Obasuji dey use voodoo take dey trade with her fellow colleague. Hey my God. He say na wetin she dey do be that one. Say she don tire for this Ebony. Ebony no fit just sit down begin dey carry dey insult anybody anyhow for that movie industry. Say it's not good. So if nobody dey talk, she go break the sham, she go break the wetin dem dey call am, wetin dem dey call this matter, the spell. So she say she go break the spell so that everybody go free from that calamity. She say she no fit dey inside that bottle again. She don tire. My people, Ebony come out yesterday, come dey rant, dey talk say she sing pass everybody for that movie industry. Say all the people wey dey sing. Una know say our sister wey dey call Ukinebo Abina. Now Ukinebo she take art film. They call this lady Inuela. That one don't see enter music industry. Esther Edokpayi dey there. Sandra Agbogun dey there. Our beautiful sister that no get voice like Nonyi. Shine Osemige, he did there. Another one again. Where na Fina Peter, I don't know. Now Peter be her son name. All of them did there. They say she said she get voice past all those people, my people. You understand? She said she get voice past them. So now they can't say her juju too much. They say na Kayamata product now she dey use my country people. Say na Kayamata product. Now this our Edo sister they use till they suppress people for inside Nollywood movie industry. So now make nobody feel the reply her anytime when she dey misbehave or anyhow. You understand? My people, if una really believe say this everybody dey use juju because a lot of people feel like you for who you are, for the movie where you act, the first role will bring you come outside, or the way you take the play, or the way you take the talk. You understand? Some people feel like you with that one. Why some no fit take come from you? You understand? Na so it dey happen, my people. Okay. Other people come to talk say no, true she dey really dey do voodoo because why she go they always they come outside they use until they knock chest say she dey die, say na she better pass for the industry. My people, I beg, if na really or na true say Ebony really they do voodoo or use voodoo to scatter a lot of people head for that industry, or use voodoo take tie them make them no progress, say make them dey hear only her voice. I beg me una come comment section, we will deliberate on this matter. He said na so she come outside that they come they blast our beautiful Edo sister wey they call Sandra Agbogun wey open in house. True that matter is not sweet. Today now she don't still come outside come talk say she sing past her best friend wey they call Lady of Song aka Esther Edokpayi. My people, this matter don't they go out of hand though. Not be small matter oh. They even they thought say she won't even snatch Esther Hozi where they call Destiny Ebagwa. The matter far well. Not be small matter, my people. They say the eye wait till they look this in your bag. Now to be the number fifth or be number six. She not as far as say Kayamata product still did there. She can fit do one. Now hear that English, she can fit do one. My people, that's make I carry the matter corner come for on the table. The woman say Ebony sham don't expire. He say now she read to talk and she break that spell because she no fit dey live under spell. Wetin dey cause that one? Now say me I carry the matter come for on the table, my people. I beg. Before I go release the video, give una. I beg if you are just watching for the very first time, you are highly welcome. Please, after watching, subscribe and on your notification bell so that anytime I upload, you'll be the first to be notified that I just uploaded a new video. By doing so, God bless you. To my new subscriber, may God bless you. And to my returnees, you all are loved. Happy Christmas and New Year in advance. May Saga no knock at your door. In Jesus' name, amen. So now, so we see the matter. I have to make a let you know. Say as boss lady of songs, where they call lady of songs, sing music rich. Ebony come outside say na she still sing pass am. My people, don't be small matter. How una see this matter, my people? I bet me una come comment section. May we deliberate on this matter because it's not easy again. How can somebody be using sham to bewitch other fellow member for the industry? It's no good at all. If really waiting, Fina and her friend talk, say na so Ebony do, it is very bad. And I believe say not be only Ebony go even they do the sham. Even then way they talk self, I believe all of them go they do to progress. For me, now waiting all of them they do be that one. Maybe they know they use better products. Maybe they know they use better Kayamata. And a different Kayamata product na the market. You understand, my people? So my sister Ebony, I beg if you know say you they use Kayamata product, I beg see your bubble because the gods are angry. The people you are using it on, they are angry. They're not they happy. Well. I beg it too tight according to the way they talk. Say you they use Kayamata product, they suppress them for the industry, they abuse them, they pack all the money they enter house. So you know for us they pack all the money, consider insult everybody. I beg, let respect they reduce the Kayamata product, release your hand small. If not so, within the talk. No, say people to get fans or get money or they famous people will say na sham. Nothing. If you to get money, they will say na ritual or na yahoo. You understand? So now waiting they happen be that one, but I don't know how truth is this. You understand? So everybody know how it they call it. Oh God. So now so means see the matter, my people. So I go leave una make una watch the full episode. The way Fina and her friend they talk about Ebony. Happy view, guys. See you in my next video. Choose.
Mama the mama. I don't run.
Why
Where I
you
get to call, they make noise.
Merry Christmas, celebrate.
Celebrate my able mama. How far now?
I see you all yourself.
Maria Mekwa. You don't give me chicken
Maria
make I eat.
Mekwa.
It was that.
Because we not there see I just tired everywhere. Go one keep person for the side.
Wakoyo. Where my sister?
Then they will everywhere.
Where Monsi?
Monsi they fine.
Where Monsi?
Monsi they fine. Definitely I'll do that.
I'll call you later. Bye. May I just stay here now? Come. Sorry, ma. Hold on. Mama. You know
Your colleagues agree to why I was saying now.
And is it your 60,000?
Everywhere na Saga. I greet you.
Mama.
Alpha.
I do. Why they be? I don't know how to do the new year now.
The new year goes up. Everywhere go good. This new year where they come so it go sweet. But like bass boost. Zeh.
What did
My
they
dear,
happen?
a lot of things they happen where they make me to read the verse. Like yesterday night, I don't know what say my colleague, because me I know they ask him. No, they ask. I'm only a producer. My colleague, all the time, go all come out, go they insult everybody for live video. So the thing, no y'all they need comment, not listen to any nonsense people. The thing, that's why the other time he told say now two of them ended the industry. I dey expect maybe talk web bone.
Now because before you can't talk something, I feel you they provoke. We'll know say that you don't. Who be the colleague now? Who they sort of minimum that line no.
I know the fear. Ebony Obasui now they talk. Ebony Obasui one moment. Imam one you know. Because it can't be like say Juju where she do take child of force since. So that Juju don't spoil. Now never one go with the industry. Your one. It's a local cure or Maggie on Emedi, or Maggie on Emedi, or Talera, wait till they happen. Someone said you rather join the live video.
You sir, who's the one of my see what they write? They say you cannot bring somebody else to the whatever. There is a guest in the broadcast already. Why now?
It's supposed to be up to 4. I don't know why. Maybe not because na page you they use. Now normal Facebook now they agree that one. Sharon, sorry, they say no fee. I said maybe Sharon tried. Maybe she send request come. Maybe
better.
If I come out, she fit come. So the thing really yesterday, I don't know the kind of song where she want sing. I don't know what she want do. But they said, but if you want to do something, do it. Don't try to tarnish other people's hustle. Everyone has to Bangolo, a hustle in Yano. Now their hustle, now their sweat. It's not easy to go studio. Let's be truthful with ourselves. As long as say person day when they listen to that song, even if one person that they listen to her, it is good to go. Because not be what you like, not be me I like.
Normally na encourage.
So it can't be like say it can't be like say Toye boy agbale agboya in the industry na mere I met it go she can't feel too big. The thing can't dey pump us. First thing today she say she want go live video for me. I dey read that. I be dey wait for that live video. Truth, everybody will not believe her life. I for can't tell me by when they sleep with 4 brothers of one community. Me, I for this guy really the next 3-4 years, everybody not go believe. Everybody will be saying, "Damn, my hand." What is she want to talk about me? Say I date one boy. Now love, yes, I'm allowed to date somebody. But me get our own way I want to talk with plenty. Industry.
Hello, baby. 1 minute. How far? Hello, baby. I dey hear you. How far? Me I go to my Facebook. Yeah, no, while I go to my Facebook because I don't understand what is going on here. Easy, they hear me. Mama,
if you not fit go to my Facebook, fit go Instagram.
Apple, me want cut time for my page. I want go to my Facebook.
Ebony.
Me I enter my normal Facebook, I beg. Everybody that